Hello Woodwards, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create RFQ template and based on template easily load product details. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Purchase template. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase app, go to configuration menu and see here this RFQ template. Create template like a office share and now add product like a customizable desk. Another is a local delivery, large cabinet and storage box. Here add terms and condition about this product template and save. Now go to order, create new, select vendor like ready-made and display here RFQ template. I did create office share, so display here is and select and see here based on selected template auto load here product details with quantity, unit price and also display here terms and condition. And now confirm this order. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.